I worked and lived in Japan for 4 years. Many would say that I was living my best life back then. Well, they guessed wrong. It's not the best part of my life, but it's definitely a memorable 4 years of my life. Today, let me take you to one of my most memorable days in Japan, climbing Mount Hamaishidake with my sister Anna and our treasured retired Japanese friends. My last 2 years in Japan was definitely the toughest because of COVID. But before COVID happened, my Japan life had a couple of unexpected and delightful moments. When I arrived in Japan, I didn't know how to speak Japanese. I didn't know anybody in the local area. All I did was sleep, eat, and work. I was depressed, lonely, and alone, miles and miles away from my homeland. I was just doing my best to breathe and stay alive and try to perform properly at work. I was literally a robot money-making machine. Hopefully we'll arrive soon.
What is this?
Raisins.
In Japanese.
Wakanes.
Budo.
Budo. Yeah, is that it? So we reached the stairs. We have a stairs to go up to the summit. What a view! But magic happened one chilly winter night. I met Kazuyo-san. She is a Japanese woman who loves going up the mountains and loves everything about nature. We became really good friends, and she loves taking me to sightseeing and mountaineering trips. When my sister came to Japan last December 2019, Kazuyo-san took me and my sister to see Mount Fuji right from the summit of Mount Hamaishidake. It was definitely one of the best Japan moments, and I am very happy and lucky to have captured this moment in camera to reminisce and to share to all of you. Selfie, selfie. Wala pa. Wala pa. Tsukareta. Daijoubu. Mou sugu. Mount Fuji. We enjoyed the view on the summit for around 2 hours before we finally decided to descend. On our way back, we went inside an orange farm where we took home some rejected oranges. Our friends definitely have a knack for finding rejected oranges that are still delicious to eat. You have oranges and you have the ocean and you have Mount Fuji. Yay! Kazuyo-san, Kazuyo-san, それが何ですか？それは何ですか？
これは多分薩摩。
薩摩。
これって薩摩。そうやな。すごく美味しい。
Di banget abi tahu nu. Ngamut ni sila. Ngamut. Ini pelan menguat ni sila. Untuk Dame. Gambare. Yay! 山の名前は何ですか？
マウント浜石岳。
場所は？
That's mountain.
Yeah, that mountain.
Mount Fuji. The highest mountain in Japan.
Wow. Where is it located?
It's located Shizuoka Prefecture.
Thank you very much. Name, what's her name sa mountain kanina? Hamaishidake. Ang iyahang height? 707. Oh. Did it win 770 meters?
707 right
Kazuyo-san, 先の山の高さは何ですか？先の浜井707? あ、770じゃない。Sorry. Nice nga picture, girl. Nice smile lang daw. In one way or another, I know Kazuyo-san definitely saved me, and to her, I will always be grateful.